Hello all great blind friends, back again with me Sumbaji Putranto. In this video, it is very special because I'm here with my friend who will demonstrate as a blind student. On this occasion, we will learn together how to determine the types of angles. First, we will learn to use our limbs, and in the second, we will learn to use props.
Bersama bagaimana menentukan jenis-jenis sudut. Yang pertama, kita akan belajar menggunakan anggota tubuh kita, dan yang kedua, nanti kita akan belajar menggunakan alat peraga. Yang pertama, siswa tunanetra saya akan menunjukkan tangannya yang akan kita gunakan untuk menunjukkan sudut nanti.
First, my blind student will show his hand, which we will use to show the angle. Then he can raise his hand. The first part of the upper hand we call the upper arm. Then in the middle we will call it the elbow. And the lower hand is the forearm.
Tangan bawah adalah lengan bawah. Yang pertama, kita akan mengenal sudut lancip.
We'll first identify acute angles. And these are angles that are less than 90 degrees.
Kurang dari 90 derajat. Yang kedua,
Second, my friend will demonstrate right angles that are exactly 90 degrees.
sudut yang besarnya tepat 90 derajat.
Finally, my friend will show an obtuse angle, which is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees.
90 derajat dan kurang dari 180 derajat. Demikian, selanjutnya
Next, we will
kita
try
akan
to use
mencoba
props.
menggunakan alat peraga.
All great friends, next we will learn to determine the size of an angle. So that later, based on that size, we will determine the type of angle. Here I already have an assortment of angles with various sizes. We will measure these angles using a raised circular arc or protractor. In the center of the embossed arc, there are marks that we can use for blind students to position corner points.
Busur lingkaran ini, teman-teman sudah paham bagaimana menggunakannya. Di bagian tengah ada tanda yang nanti bisa kita gunakan untuk memposisikan titik sudut.
Then, around the arc, there are holes which will later show the value or size of the angle. Each distance from the 2 points is an angle of 10 degrees.
Atau besar sudutnya. Setiap jarak dari 2 titik adalah menunjukkan besar sudut 10 derajat.
Dear friends, next we will learn to measure angles and later we will determine the type of angle. The first one will start with this angle.
Yang pertama,
Roughly, how big is the
mulai
angle?
dengan sudut ini, kira-kira berapa besar sudutnya? Kita ukur menggunakan busur derajat tadi. Kita tempatkan titik pusat
We measure using the raised protractor. We place the center point of the arc right at the existing angle, then go straight until later we find another point straight with the angle line, then we measure the size of the angle is 30 degrees. We can conclude that this is an acute angle.
besar sudutnya adalah 30 derajat. Termasuk jenis sudut apa, teman-teman semuanya? Benar sekali, termasuk jenis sudut lancip.
Let's measure the second angle. How much is the angle? Still the same as before, we position the corner points in the right position.
Sudut kita posisikan pada posisi yang tepat, kemudian kita ukur dan kita hitung berapa besar sudut.
Then we measure and we calculate how big the angle is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means we get the angle size is 90 degrees. What angles do you all belong to? Exactly, including right angles.
Tepat sekali, termasuk sudut siku-siku.
The last one, we will try to measure this angle. How much is it? As the same as before, we position it, then we calculate the angle. Measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, tetapi tidak
But it is
sampai
in the middle
pada
of
pertemuan
15 and
tengahnya.
16, so the
Ya,
value
jawabannya
is
adalah
15.5. So the angle measure is 155 degrees. What types of angles are included? Exactly, including the type of obtuse angle.
Tepat sekali. Termasuk jenis sudut tumpul. Sekian video hari
That's
ini.
all for today's video.
Semoga
I
teman-teman
hope all
semuanya
of my
dapat
friends can
belajar
learn math more
matematika
easily and
lebih
happily.
mudah
See you in the
dan
next
menyenangkan.
video.
Sampai bertemu di video selanjutnya.